How to make photo collage on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Shortcuts application on your device. Now, if for some reason you do not have the Shortcuts application on your device, then you can easily download it from the App Store. Once you have opened Shortcuts, tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the search bar there and search for Select Photos and tap on that and then tap on the arrow beside the Select Photos option. Now, go ahead and toggle on the Select Multiple toggle button and now tap on the search bar again and this time search for Combine Images and tap on that. Here, make sure the horizontally option is selected and if not, then tap on the arrow icon and select the horizontally option. Now, tap on the search bar one last time and search for the Save to Album option and then tap on that. Now, tap on the drop down on top center of your screen and then tap on the Rename option and rename the shortcut and then tap on the drop down once again and select the Add to Home Screen option. Now, choose your icon color and finally tap on the Add button and then go to your home screen. Now, open the shortcut that you just created and select two images that you want side by side and tap on the Add button. And now, if you go to the Photos application, you will be able to see that the photo with the side-by-side shortcut has been applied. So, this is how you can make photo collage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.